I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, Murray, Utah, here to show you how to remove a pop-up drain on a sink. Now, in removing the pop-up, which is the drain in the bottom of a bathroom sink, for video purposes here, we've got the sink removed so we can show you what the bottom looks like. You've got the lift rod. There will also be a rod coming from the faucet. First thing you'll want to do is remove this lift rod. Then take your pliers and loosen the lock nut. Sometimes this can be a little difficult depending on how much corrosion there is built up on this. Then at this point, you'll push up on the pop-up assembly, loosening everything up so that it's now loose. From inside the sink, the pop-up ring itself unscrews. Now, sometimes it'll be a little difficult to unscrew. You may have to hold it and turn the rest of the pop-up from underneath the sink. Now these rings just simply unscrew. The rest of the pop-up assembly. Now, if these are real difficult to get out, if you've got a lot of corrosion buildup on the underside, you can use a hacksaw to cut through the rubber and through the pop-up assembly itself to remove it. Now, when reinstalling your pop-up assembly, you'll need a sealant called plumber's putty. And this putty goes around the ring. You can roll it out like a snake, Play-Doh snake. Get it all the way around your ring. Now you're ready to reinstall the ring. Ring comes in from the top, tightens down, then you use your pliers to lock the rest of the pop-up assembly down, and the excess putty is just removed by peeling it off. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing. We've just showed you how to remove a pop-up drain on a sink.